Have you ever wondered how a single tree can absorb up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide per year? It's a remarkable fact, isn't it? This is just one example of the vital role that the environment plays in our lives. Today we're going to delve deeper into the fascinating science behind environmental preservation. Imagine a world without trees. Seems impossible, right? Trees, as we know, provide us with oxygen, filter harmful pollutants, and offer a habitat for wildlife. But did you know that they also play an essential role in the global carbon cycle? Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere during photosynthesis, a process that transforms carbon dioxide and sunlight into oxygen and glucose. This process is not only essential for tree growth but also helps mitigate the impact of human-induced climate change by reducing the overall levels of carbon dioxide, a major greenhouse gas, in the atmosphere. Now consider the oceans, covering more than 70% of our planet's surface. They act as the largest carbon sink, absorbing about 25% of all carbon dioxide emissions. Tiny marine plants, known as phytoplankton, play a critical role in this process. Through photosynthesis, phytoplankton remove carbon dioxide from sea surface waters, allowing more carbon dioxide to diffuse into the ocean from the atmosphere. This process, known as the biological pump, helps regulate global climate patterns. Soil, too, plays an integral part in carbon sequestration. It holds more carbon than the atmosphere and all plant life combined. Through a process known as the carbon cycle, plants absorb carbon dioxide, convert it into organic matter, and transfer it to the soil. This process helps maintain soil fertility while also mitigating climate change. As you can see, the environment does an incredible job of preserving itself. But human activities are disrupting these natural processes, leading to environmental degradation and climate change. Deforestation, pollution, and excessive use of resources are just a few ways in which we are negatively impacting the environment. However, it's not all doom and gloom. There are steps we can take to help preserve the environment, and it starts with understanding and appreciating the intricate science behind it. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. It's a phrase we've all heard, but its importance can't be overstated. By minimizing waste, we can lessen the demand for new resources and decrease the amount of waste that ends up in our landfills and oceans. Plant more trees. They are nature's own carbon sequestration machines. By planting more trees, we can help absorb more carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and combat climate change. Support clean energy. Renewable energy sources like wind, solar, and hydroelectric power do not produce carbon dioxide emissions, making them a cleaner, greener alternative to fossil fuels. Remember, every action, no matter how small, has an impact. So take that first step towards environmental preservation today. The science is clear, the environment needs us and we need the environment. Just imagine the world we could create if we all took a moment to appreciate the intricate dance of the carbon cycle, the majesty of the oceans, and the humble power of the soil beneath our feet. And then, let that appreciation inspire action. Because when it comes to preserving the environment, every effort counts. So become that change agent the world needs. Embrace sustainable living, plant a tree, support clean energy, make every day Earth Day. Because in the end, it's not just about preserving the environment for us, but for generations yet to come. Together, we can make a difference. Together, we can ensure a healthier, greener, and more sustainable future for all.